you came for, okay? Hey, Jake, I got a special guest from Papa was door.
Whoa, whoa. Okay. Now, it's actually Sunday right now, and I'm about to show you the content from earlier in the week. But if you know the outcome for the fight, then you know there is going to be a rematch, which you're going to see in a second, okay? That's going to be in LA. I want to do a giveaway for that match. I'm going to try and get more VIP tickets, and I want to give away some VIP tickets for that. So stick around until the end of the video, and I'm going to explain to you how you can do that. But for now, enjoy the rest of it. Good afternoon, everybody. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today, what can I say? We're in Manchester. You can't see that. We're in Manchester, and I've had an incredible few days, and I'm going to tell you all about it today. And also, we're going to the weigh-in of the Logan Paul, or KSI versus Logan Paul, got to get there the right way around, UK squad. We're going to the weigh-in for that as part of the VIP treatment, which I am fortunate enough to have access to. Make sure you are subscribed with those notifications turned on. Let's get into the video straight away. Right. So I'm in my hotel room, a bit messy, so you're gonna have to apologise for that. But we're in Manchester. I came up here a few days ago. I'll just show you around, guys. Came up here a few days ago. I'm in the Radisson, which is pretty nice. It's like a 5-star hotel, but it's just a normal room, to be honest. Did some shopping, which is all good. But yeah, so I was fortunate enough to get VIP tickets to, I'll actually show you them as well. VIP tickets to the KSI Logan Paul match, right? I'm keeping these on me at all times. I'll show you them right now. And so on Wednesday, we went to just to their gyms and stuff like that. And obviously, if you follow these guys, if you follow anything on like mainstream YouTube, you will see what happened. Kind of Deji turned up at the Paul's gym, and he was just like, what's up? And yeah, Jake was like, just slapped him. And I managed to get some wicked footage from that. So I got some footage from behind Deji. So what actually happened was, I was actually gonna go out. I'd like kind of done like a meet and greet, said hello to like Logan Paul, Jake Paul, that sort of stuff. Met a few other people there, which is awesome in terms of like YouTubers. And I was like, okay, I'm just gonna go call my girlfriend, because, you know, I haven't spoken to her in a couple of days. So I kind of went to go outside, and there was loads of like people in suits and bodyguards, and I was like, hang on, what the hell's going on here? And then like through comes Deji with his entourage, and I'm like, oh damn, this is about to go down. So obviously I pulled my phone out, I start recording, I capture everything, and I get, you know, the slap and everything like that. And now that video is just like plastered around the internet. It's like absolutely everywhere. I should have watermarked it, but oh well, I didn't. You know, things happen. And I spoke to Deji when I went to KSI's gym, and yeah, I sent him the footage, then he uploaded it to Twitter and stuff like that. And literally it's just gone completely viral. So should have put it on my Instagram first, should have kind of watermarked it, but that's the kind of business side of me looking into kind of what I could have done better. But ultimately, at the end of the day, no one gives a crap who I am. It was so awesome. Now, okay, today is going to be ridiculous. The reason being is, first of all, it is about, what's the time? I don't know, it's about 8:30 in the morning. So what I'm gonna do is go to a workspace, because the internet here is not very good, and it's not really the best place to kind of work. So I need to do some emails for kind of all my students and stuff like that. I'm gonna meet up with Brad, so Brad Riley, if you know him, so he's coming in about 9:30. Gonna do some shopping, buy some more clothes probably. Bought an outfit the other day for Saturday for the match. And then we are going to the weigh-in, right? It's a secret location. We don't know where that location is yet, and we should probably be made aware by email this morning at some point, hopefully. And honestly, I think it's going to kick off because Jake Paul slapped Deji, you know, on Wednesday. I think I even overheard him when we were at Deji and KSI's gym. I overheard him say, you know, that gives me the right to, you know, I am paraphrasing, it's not a direct quote. He said, oh, I think that gives me the right to, you know, hit him on Friday. So, so I actually think that's going to happen. I'm not sure if they're live streaming it, but yeah, it should be so fun. While I've been in Manchester, been out for some drinks, you know, seen a few people, which is awesome. You know, managed to kind of bump heads with a few YouTubers, a few kind of massive YouTubers. So it was really good to try and ask people questions, and just, you know, still remember that it doesn't matter if you have, you know, 2 million followers. You're still a normal person, right? You're still an interesting normal person, easy to get along with. So yeah, and there we go. I realised I forgot to show you the tickets. So here we are. We've got the ringside kind of lanyards, which is pretty cool. So we have some ridiculous tickets. They're really, really good seats. So let's have a little look here. I'm not going to show it because they've got barcodes on and stuff. But we are in row D, seat 12, 13, 14. So that'll be really, really, really cool. So got some tickets there, got some kind of things to do and not to do. But yeah, we've got the big lanyards, which is awesome. So they're pretty cool, if you wanted to know what that looks like. And then I think we also have some wristbands in here as well, some ringside. There we go, some ringside wristbands. I'm really looking forward to this. This is the first boxing match I've ever going to be into, and yeah, I can't wait for it. It's going to be absolutely ridiculous. Currently at the weigh-in for KSI and Logan Paul. And I forgot my camera, which is a bit annoying, but yeah, we're just sitting kind of a few rows back. Got a lot of, like, I think they're live streaming it as well, or recording it for their channels. A few familiar faces, YouTube people around. I'm just going to flip the camera around and show you.
He's the official challenger, and he is Logan the Maverick Paul! Here he comes, ladies and gentlemen, the Nightmare KSI! 86 even, 86 even, 86 kilos. Tomorrow night, YouTube brands, it all goes down in Manchester Arena. Holy Communion.
They don't really want it with the no street.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 6 rounds of action, we go to the scorecards. Referee Gareth Morris scores it 58-57. He has it for KSI. Our next judge has it even at 57-57. And our third judge has it 57-57. It is a majority draw. Let's hear it for both fighters after 6 great rounds of boxing. The Nightmare KSI, Logan the Maverick Paul. This fight is a majority draw.
All right, yeah, Logan. What do you say? Are you down for a rematch?
I think it's what the people want. Let's give him a motherfucking rematch!
Lads, I've got to say, that was one hell of a fight. It was amazing. The way you started strong and the way you came back. Unbelievable. I'll take me half the bodies.
Right, I'm not sure if you can see us, but we're now out. It was a draw, but we don't worry about that. We've got some drinks, it's all good. We're going to
Let's see what happens in the night. So there we go.
Okay, we are back home. It is the next day, it's the afternoon. I'm hanging. Like, we went out last night to the kind of after party. So there was, you know, quite a few YouTuber-y type people there. I'm sure you will see them. It was a place in Manchester, Club Live. So if you follow them, you'll probably know who they are. But yeah, it was incredible. Obviously, as you can tell probably from my voice, a little bit hungover, but that's okay. That's okay, it was worth it. The train journey home, however, was not that nice because it was like 3 hours. So, what I want to do is ask you one thing, guys. So, this was a wicked event, and I appreciate that not a lot of people are able to get VIP access and VIP tickets to these sorts of things. And I want to be able to make that available to, you know, a couple of people. So, there's going to be a rematch. As we know, it was a draw. Unfortunately, I don't know. I think KSI should have won personally myself, but it was close. It was very close. We were saying in the crowd, it looks like it's going to be a draw, but I was hoping it wouldn't be a draw. So there's going to be a rematch, and it's going to be in America somewhere, probably in LA, I can imagine. And what I want to do is I want to go to the next one because this was so good to go to, just both for entertainment purposes, but also as a networking opportunity, as someone that operates on YouTube, to get ideas, to speak to people, and just kind of network. So that was really, really fun. So if you want me to do a giveaway for the next one, so if I can try and pick up a few extra tickets and flights and stuff like that, then yeah, let me know down in the comments if you want to do that. Say like, yeah, I want to be able to, I want free shit, but I want free shit. But don't say that because it'll go into spam. Just say like, yes, that's a good idea. If loads of people comment on it, then I'll definitely do it. If it's worth everyone's while. So, if you have enjoyed this video, I want you to give it a thumbs up. I want you to leave any comments down below. Of course, it's different to my usual content. This is an entrepreneur channel. It's about making money, doing business, so we can go and do these things. So we can go spend money on like hotels and bloody fights, VIP access and bottles and VIP, you know, tables and all that sort of crap that, you know, I wouldn't do every day. But it's definitely something that entrepreneurship has allowed me to do. I haven't been doing it for that long, so I implore you guys to get started. If you're thinking, oh, what do I do? How do I start? Just pick something and just take an action, a small action. You know, if you want to be a YouTuber, then just record a YouTube video. I know that sounds quite simple when you say it like that, but honestly, that is all it is. So if you have enjoyed this content and you want me to do more kind of things like this, where I'm showing you what I'm doing, not day to day, but anything that's particularly worth kind of recording, then let me know down in the comments. I will probably maybe think about doing that. And I'll see you all very, very soon in an upcoming video. Probably get back to the usual content in the next video, but I'll see you all very soon. Bye-bye.